All right, I'm gonna take you guys through a little walkthrough of this property. It's still under construction. End of the month, late March, completion date's what we're kind of shooting for. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It actually has 2 masters in it. We're gonna walk through there, check all that out. So let's go up here and take a look at it. It's got the rock along the front, and then the board and batten style siding also. And then the sides and most of the back are brick. You got this big covered porch. Sorry about the wobble. I don't have a selfie stick today with me. Big open entryway. Goes on into the living room from there, and then the 2 bedrooms from here. We'll walk through there first. Decent sized bedrooms, like 10 by 12, something like that. There's the closet. Some of these are going to be hard to see. The lights aren't on yet. There's no power out here. So we've got a linen closet here in the hall. You've got a bathroom here. So there'll be a vanity there, mirror there. Then it's got the tub and the tile surround. Here's the other bedroom. And the closet there. Nice big utility room, laundry room, with the storage cabinet there. He's done some of this recessed lighting in here. They're LED, throw off a bunch of light and use almost no electricity. Got storage here. That actually goes out into the garage. Car storage, right? Hall closet. There'll eventually be a hanging rod there. Then over to this side, got a really nice sized pantry. Then more cabinetry over here. Granite tops. And built-in shelving there. Got this beautiful fireplace. It is wood burning. There'll be a wood mantle added to that later. It's got these beams that they've added. And then this tongue and groove top beaded wood ceiling that's going to be really pretty when it gets finished out next week. So living here, dining here. Here's the kitchen. So it's got the dual color. The island is the same color as these cabinets over here. Then of course the white cabinets with the subway tile, pendant lighting, all kind of goes together. Appliances aren't here yet, but it'll be freestanding. Electric range, microwave there, and then there'll be a dishwasher in the island, all stainless. Water line to the fridge. All right, and this is the second master suite. This is the first one, what this builder's calling multi-generational. So it's actually got a kitchenette. So dishwasher, place for all the stuff there. White cabinets. That door actually goes into the garage, so you've actually got private access in and out of this side of the house without bothering everybody else. So this room is kind of a living, kitchen, dining area, all combined. And here's the bedroom. Big closet, and again there's access to the porch or the patio from out here too. So whoever lives on this side could really live independently of everybody else in the household. Recessed pan, shower. There, this would be really good for handicap too, because of the width. Let me get this door out of the way and show you how wide that is. Be perfect for that. Water closets over there. We all know what those look like. Here's the cabinets or counters. And linen's here. Little art niche there built in. Here's the master bedroom. Ceiling's up there. It's got this little alcove. I can see like a TV or a chest of drawers going in there, something like that. Be carpet in all the bedrooms, tile in the wet areas, and then it'll be laminated in the hallway, entryway, and the living and dining area in there. Forgot to mention that. 2 lavs in here. Big open bar will be a gigantic mirror that goes all the way across. It's tiled. Same shower as the other one. And then a big closet, which I know is hard to see. And of course the water closet over there. So I never, ever really shoot videos with a house in this condition. I usually wait until I get finished. We're just really excited about this one because all the cool features it has. So if you'd like to see it, give me a holler or call your buyer's agent. It is on the MLS and can be shown by any agent. Thanks for watching.